Ready, start. The present revision petition has been preferred by the petitioner Rajesh to challenge the legality and correctness of a judgment dated 27/1/2015 of Learned Additional Sessions Judge in Criminal Application Number 55/20, whereby the judgment dated 27/6/2012 of Learned Metropolitan Magistrate in case FIR number 42/98 registered at police station Paschim Vihar was set aside. Stop. The petitioner was held guilty for committing offence under section 37 IPC and was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 5 years with fine of rupees 2000. Stop. Briefly stated, the prosecution case as reflected in the charge sheet was that on the night intervening 27/28 7/1997, the accused committed carnal intercourse against the order of nature with a boy X aged about 11 years. Stop. The information about the incident was conveyed to the police at 8:10 am and Delhi Diary number 29 came into existence at police station Paschim Vihar. Stop. The petitioner was specifically named to have outraged the modesty of the child X. Stop. The investigation was assigned to head constable Bua Lal, who with constable Vedpal went to the spot. Stop. The investigation officer, after recording statement of victim's father, lodged first information report. Stop. The victim was medically examined. Stop. The accused was arrested and taken for medical examination. Stop. Exhibits collected during investigation were sent to Forensic Science Laboratory for examination. Stop. Upon completion of investigation, a charge sheet was filed against the petitioner for commission of offence under section 37 IPC. Stop. In order to establish its case, the prosecution examined 10 witnesses. Stop. In 313 CRPC statement, the petitioner pleaded false implication and denied his involvement in the crime. Stop. On appreciation of the evidence and after considering the rival contentions of the parties, the trial court, by judgment dated 27/6/2012, acquitted the petitioner. Stop. Stanza. The state thereafter challenged the acquittal in appeal, which was allowed by a judgment dated 27/1/2014. Stop. Aggrieved by the said judgment, the petitioner has filed the instant revision petition. Stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties and have examined the record. Stop. Admitted position is that the victim lived in the petitioner's neighborhood. Stop. Apparently, he was minor on the date of occurrence. Stop. The incident took place at around 1 am on the night intervening 27/28 7/1997. Stop. The police machinery was set in motion at around 8:10 am wide DD number 29, in which the petitioner was named to be the perpetrator of the crime. Stop. Soon thereafter, the statement of victim's father was recorded and Rukka was sent to lodge FIR at 9:45 am. Stop. X was taken for medical examination at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Hospital. Stop. MLC was prepared where the arrival time of the patient has been taken on record as 8:50 am. Stop. The alleged history records sexual assault. Stop. In the complaint, the victim's father Ram Prasad gave graphic detail of the occurrence and disclosed as to how the petitioner had committed carnal intercourse with his child aged about 13 years when he was sleeping on the roof of his house. Stop. Since the FIR was lodged without delay whatsoever, there was least possibility of the complainant to fabricate a false story. Stop. Crucial testimony to infer the petitioner's guilt is that of the victim X. Stop. In his court statement as PW2, he categorically implicated the petitioner for the crime. Stop. He disposed that on the day of occurrence he had gone to play at house of his sister-in-law. Stop. After playing, he slept on the roof of the petitioner's house. Stop. 8. About 1 a.m. the petitioner put off his underwear and committed wrong act with him. Stop. On his raising alarm, the accused shut his mouth. Stop. Thereafter he came to his father weeping and narrated the occurrence to him. Stop. Over.